Howdy fellas, Doug here from Digital Currency Traders. I believe this year could be the best opportunity to build wealth. Now could be one of the easiest times to increase your net worth dramatically if you know what you're doing. We've heard the popular saying that you can get wealthy in a bull market, but you can get rich in a bear market. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important chart and the fact that setting yourself up for some incredible opportunities could make these bad news times into your best friend. Let's talk about what I expect to happen for the next 12 months in cryptocurrencies and how to position yourself to take advantage and make as much money as possible from the incredible price swings of cryptocurrencies, while at the same time protecting ourselves from risks. And today we're going to be talking about a very specific plan. But before we talk about the best opportunities coming up in crypto, we need to understand what we're up against so that we can identify the opportunities from the risks. The major markets will certainly have an effect on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So let's prepare for the possibility of a recession like it's real. The way we approached cryptocurrencies in the past is wrong for today's markets. And in this video, I'm going to talk about capital preservation while staying ready for the opportunities. I don't believe this is the time to be a hodler and building up your portfolio for the long term. There's probably going to be better deals in the future. But it is time to be ready for some huge moves like we've just seen. The crypto community is very educated about the Federal Reserve and the impact of rising interest rates to combat inflation. And with the correct focus, we can anticipate the direction of the markets and make some big profits. The other day, Alessio Rissanti published a video quoting the Elliott Wave International newsletter, which detailed how the stock market rally usually crashed after the Fed pivot and they started to ease the interest rates. In other words, after the Fed started to ease the interest rates, instead of the stock market going into a bull rally, the stock market actually went into its biggest leg of decline. We can anticipate this by mapping out where our trading formation is going to show up. The news right now is demoralizing. It's very unsettling to hear anticipations of mass layoffs and the value of all equities from housing and stocks and Bitcoin and commodities all going down in value. Over the first many years of trading crypto, holding cash was a bad option because crypto was doing so well. But for the past year and for the next foreseeable future, cash has become the better option. We want to stay prepared with that cash because opportunities in crypto will be dramatic and fast. We have to prepare for these opportunities in advance to take advantage of them because they'll be over by the time we've noticed them if we're not preparing in advance for them. We can prepare in advance because the pattern is clear. We can see it coming if we know what we're looking for. We want to prepare to take advantage of what's about to come. It is the most important opportunity in the history of crypto. With a recession coming, everything is going to become less expensive. But just because something costs less right now doesn't mean it's the time to buy just because the price is low. There is a specific pattern that will let us know when to take risk, and it will allow us to control how much risk we take. Right now is a good time to reevaluate our beliefs about the opportunities in crypto and how we are approaching those opportunities. Cash is a good option for crypto traders right now, so we can stay ready to grab those formations that set up, and we can stand aside as the economy clears out all the questionable projects that have been managed poorly. It is normal that less than 20% of new businesses survive for 5 years or longer, and I think it's far more difficult to have a crypto business that survives 5 years or longer. And so holding tokens for the long-term appreciation may not be a good option in today's markets. The key secret in cryptos right now is to stay ready to act when the formations set up and don't let depression overtake you. In order to prepare for the big opportunities coming in crypto, we need to face life as though this recession is going to be a reality. Focus right now on your financial health. Reduce your debts. Cut all the expenses that you can. Start stacking your cash and your stablecoins as you prepare for the opportunities that are sure to come. I believe that your money is best serving you when it's working on your behalf, but staying prepared to take advantage of the quick opportunities for me is better than being fully invested right now. A key focus of my investing strategy is that it must feel good. I want to sleep well at night and have opportunity money prepared when those chart patterns set up. For me, if I'm worried about my investment, then I should be in cash. If I'm hoping about my investment, then I should be in cash. I only hold the investments when I'm feeling good about it and when it's in profit. Let's start off with the assumption that more difficult days are coming. Let's tighten up our financial expenses, look for extra work, and stack extra cash aside for those opportunities and for protection just in case your job gets cut. The crypto markets will definitely recover and we will go into a big bull market. But in the meantime, there's going to be some crazy short-term pumps that we can capture some amazing profits if we're prepared in advance for those patterns. I want to show you a couple examples from April to September. While Bitcoin prices were dropping 50 to 60%, we captured some great profits in the cryptocurrencies. While everyone was focused on the bear market in Bitcoin, the strength of these altcoins went under the radar for most people. Even just recently, I pointed out the buildup of a fantastic opportunity and captured some great gains. But the entire crypto community was so mired in FUD that I was ridiculed for my position, and very few people took advantage of these chart patterns. These patterns are easy to see after the fact, but we can see them coming if we know what we're looking for. There's more opportunity than I can possibly capture myself. Your success doesn't limit mine. On behalf of myself and our premium community, we would be honored to help you stay prepared for the next opportunities in cryptocurrency. Trade safe and keep those losses small.